In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock and equip camos to your weapons here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So what you're going to want to do first is obviously go into either multiplayer, it doesn't necessarily matter, but essentially go up to this weapons tab, which is the second one, and then go into your loadouts tab right here, and you'll see all of your custom loadouts from within here. Essentially, go ahead and find whatever weapon you want to go ahead and customize, and go to the gunsmith for it, and then go up to this top tab where it says customize and select camo just like so. From here, you're going to see the co-op campaign camos, you're going to see the multiplayer camos, the zombies camos, and even the Warzone camos as well. But essentially, go to one of these tabs right here, and you're going to see the specific challenges that you need to complete in order to get that camo. For example, to get the Ruby Snake camo, here on the M15 Mod 0, you have to get 80 headshots with it, and that's in multiplayer. Essentially, you're going to want to go ahead and do those challenges to progress through all these military camos, and then for the special camos, just simply go ahead and do whatever it states right here. I actually have a specific guide breaking down every single weapon in multiplayer, working your way up to Shattered Gold, and the strategies to actually get Shattered Gold on those. So if you're looking for specific guides, I definitely recommend checking those out. But essentially, if you complete all of these, you're going to unlock Shattered Gold, and then Arclight, and then Tempest, and then finally you're going to get Singularity, which is essentially a really cool version of the Black Matter camo here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Everything depends on the weapon class that you're leveling. Each category has its own set of challenges that you need to complete, but essentially that's really all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to unlock and equip every single camo here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.